Hello, this is Srijita. First of all, namaskar to all of you, and I am really indebted to Kannada industry to giving me this platform. Usire Usire is my debut movie in Kannada, and I hope it will come out really well because the team, mainly I really want to talk about the team. They are really diligent and really hardworking from the beginning. And when sir was narrated the story, like the director sir was narrated the story to me, I was started crying about the story, for the story, because this is a pure love story, a very emotional love story. And my character, I really don't want to reveal much about it, but she's a very stubborn character, and with that she is very loving, and some very major part is going to be happen on her life and on the hero's life. So something is going to be happen in this movie, so I can't reveal it much, but definitely for the youth and for any, it's a family oriented movie, so anybody will enjoy this movie. And I'm sure that as a comments in my Kannada career, I would have been picked the better one than this, because this is really a very touchy story for me. I would like to thank my director sir and producer sir to brought me in this project. Rajiv, who has supported me really well, the main actor, Sudeep sir, and many more actors. Ali sir is there, and veteran actors are there. I'm really blessed to get an opportunity to work with them. I'm hoping that this movie will come out really well, and I will definitely give my 100% hard work, because this is my first movie. I really want to grow in this industry more and more. Thank you so much. I would like to thank my director sir and producer sir first to brought me in this project, and really feeling blessed today and happy amazed to have Ali sir and Sudeep sir, who are the inspiration for me. I'm really feeling blessed to be the part of this movie. Usire Usire, once when I heard the script, as soon as I heard the script, I just said yes for this, because I think none of the other projects could have been better than this project. As my comments in this Kannada industry, like Kannada film industry, and I think I really want to grow more in this industry. I really want all of your blessings, and it's my hearty wish to my Usire Usire family. I hope that this extremely diligent team will give 100% effort and endeavor to make it successful. Thank you so much.
That's so sweet. All the very best. Thank you so much.